And now let's talk about Fitline Restorate, a complete supply of vitamins and minerals for your body's recovery. Fitline Restorate plays an essential role alongside Fitline Power Cocktail as part of the Fitline Optimal Set, your all-in-one solution to support overall wellness. While Power Cocktail fuels your energy during the day, Restorate is designed for evening recovery and post-sports relaxation. Whether you've had a long day at work or played an intense match of tennis, Fitline Restorate helps your body wind down and recover. It's packed with a special combination of selenium, zinc, magnesium, copper, and other minerals essential for your health. Restorate supports strong bones and teeth thanks to its calcium content. But calcium needs support to work its best, and that's where vitamin D and magnesium come in. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, while magnesium ensures that calcium is directed to your bones where it's needed, not in your soft tissues. Zinc is another important mineral in Restorate. It plays a crucial role in how your skin protects itself. Without enough zinc, you might even notice white spots on your nails. Magnesium, combined with zinc, helps optimize muscle function overnight, supporting your body's natural recovery processes. And with the help of manganese, Restorate works to support the mineral density of your bones, which becomes especially important as we age. Restorate is your perfect partner for optimal rest and recovery, whether you're preparing for a restful night or recovering from physical activity. Fitline Restorate has you covered. End your day right with Fitline Restorate, the complete support your body needs for recovery.